Nagpakita na ang assistant ni dating Bamban, Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo sa NBI, kamukha umano ni Guo ang tauhan at ginamit para malito ang mga awtoridad na naghahanap noon sa sinibak na alkalde. Siya ay si Catherine Salazar, mapabuhok, salamin at ang pormahan nito ay hindi maalintanang kamukhang kamukha ni Alice Guo. An aide of dismissed Mayor Alice Guo appeared before the National Bureau of Investigation, NBI, on Friday to face allegations that she deliberately misled authorities in their search for the former mayor last July. Investigators are looking into whether aide Catherine Salazar appeared in the ex-mayor's place when a lawyer notarized Guo's counter-affidavit even when she was already supposedly out of the country, NBI Assistant Director Attorney Lito Magno said. A recent Senate hearing found that Salazar was supposedly responsible for finding the notary. Makakatulong siya sa ginagawa nating pag-iimbestiga, particularly sa backtracking natin, kung talaga bang yung aligasyon na gumagamit ng double si Mayor Alice ay mapapatunayan natin kung totoo o hindi, Magno said. Salazar has long black hair and wore glasses when she appeared before the NBI. Before her escape from the Philippines in July, the bespectacled Guo also wore her dark hair long. Guo sported a shorter hairstyle when she was eventually arrested by authorities in Indonesia in early September. The former mayor has denied that she is a Chinese national who allegedly facilitated the entry of an illegal gambling hub in her town.
Miss Salazar, staff nga po ba kayo ni Mama Alice Guo? Miss Kat?
Ano ko ba yung nakasakay sa SUV puti?
Ikaw ba yung nagpanotaryo, Kat? Nung papel? Kayo po ba yung nagpanotaryo kay Alice Guo? Ha? Ma'am, sinadya niyo po ba maging kamukha si Alice?
Gano'ng katagal na po kayong nagkakabaho kay Miss Alice
Ma'am, yung buhok niyo, yung haba talaga ng buhok ko. Hindi Alice, ha?
Kat? Ganyan po ba talaga ang itsura niyo? Or ginaya niyo po si Alice?
Ma'am, yung salamin niyo, yung buhok niyo, gaya-gaya kay Mayor Alice.
Pati po
Yan
yung...
ba talaga ang sadyapon yung gagawin?
Kat?
Yan po ba talaga?
Sorry, Kat. Anong pakiramdam mo ngayon, Kat, na nandito ka sa NBI?
Handa ka na bang mag-stop mo sa NBI? Ang ginagawa mo? Pwede ka nag-stop. Hindi na naman. Ready ka na magbigay. NBI, ready ka na mag-copy.
Kat, anong pakiramdam mo na nandito ka sa NBI? Inaakusahan ka na doppelganger ka raw ni Alice. Anong reaction mo doon, Kat?
Sinasadya ko bang maging body double or ikataw mo talaga nakamukha mo, nakawig mo, si Mayor Alice Guo, ka. Sinasadya ko ba?